My name is Kennedy Jenkins. Today I'm going to be showing you folds with triads. If you are familiar with fans at all, you're going to be more familiar with this kind of tech. First I'll go over just a few basics and then I'll step into the folding pattern I just want to show you. Primarily we're going to be using spine grip. Spine grip by definition is anytime you're just holding on to a single spine of the triad. After that, the relations we're going to be using. Relations is also a fan term. We have diamond relation is what we call it when we have the two wicks together, and then split X or X with these two wicks together. We'll be using split X and diamond primarily. There is a fold pattern though using the 9 grid, where if I start with the middle grid first, if we start on one side in diamond formation or diamond relation, we can fold to the center into split X, and then if you do another fold to the other side, it's back to diamond. And the cool thing is it's also the same if you do the opposite, where if you start in split X on one side, you can fold to the center to diamond and then to split X on the other side. So then after knowing that, you can jump around the 9 grid doing folds. So say if we start at the bottom, you can go from diamond to split X to diamond and fold up to the middle to split X, then to diamond in the center, split X, and then fold one more time. And now we're diamond on the side, split X in the center, and diamond again. And you can also do things diagonally, however you want, and you can really just start playing around with it. Folds are really awesome and a lot of fun with triads, and really easy to do once you kind of just wrap your mind around it. My name is Kennedy Jenkins again. We're at Flame 2017, and that was folding with triads.